PP60N, universal tap and grinder. The PP60N universal drill and tap grinder is ideal for sharpening drill bits, step drills, center guide points, taps, countersinks, mills, round bars. Just about any cutting tool there is. The grinding wheel motor height is hand adjustable. About grinding wheel regulating hand wheel. Grinding wheel around regulating hand wheel. Fully adjustable tool positioning. Trailing edge adjustment lever. Cams are interchangeable. Rotational grinding of taps and countersinks. Especially adapted for simultaneous sway and grinding action. Grind angle securing clamp. Mounting and dismounting abrasive wheels. Diamond dresser, grinding wheel reshaper. Tapered shank tool, loading sleeve. Cutting edge leveling gauge. Sharpening cutting edges. Back and forth feeding action and a rotating chuck work together in sharpening. Lowering the wheel to grind trailing edges. Pockets up to 12 tools for simultaneous sharpening. Sharpening the first center guide point. Sharpening the second center guide point. Grinding step flute bits requires cam number 6. Grinding taps requires the number 9 cam for 3 fluted taps, and for 4 fluted taps, the number 8 cam is required. For countersink bits with 1 flute, the A2 cam is required. From 1 to 12 mils can be indexed for simultaneous sharpening. From 1 to 12 mils can be indexed for simultaneous sharpening trailing edges. From 1 to 12 mils can be indexed for simultaneous sharpening center guide points. For details on angle settings and operation, please refer to the operation manual.